Welcome to our Easy Door Kit video. We will give you a quick tour of the different technologies to show how they can benefit your work. Easy Door Kit contains 3 devices that each measure different characteristics of a door on a vehicle. Easy Speed, an optical technology, measures the closing speed of a door. This applies to rotating design, sliding doors, liftgate, trunk, hood, and any other type, electric-powered or manual mechanism. Easy Energy integrates a speed sensor and force gauge to measure closing speed, door angle, closing force, and minimum closing energy. Easy Pressure captures peak cabin pressure and vacuum when the door is closing to quantify air extraction efficiency. All 3 technologies can be used simultaneously to establish a correlation between, for example, speed and pressure. Yet each technology can also be used individually to obtain a baseline or speed up testing. The devices of DoorKit can be used standalone, using their displays to view results and manage their respective settings. Optionally, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi versions of the devices can connect to our audit software. The audit software expands the capabilities of the devices by allowing all information to be saved to a vehicle database for graphing, tracking, and reporting. With a wireless option, energy, force, and speed curves can be downloaded from Easy Energy, and the pressure curve can be downloaded from Easy Pressure. These curves will provide an additional look into the dynamics to analyze the characteristics of the door and improve the door closure quality. The full kit will cover the vast majority of questions regarding closing efforts. The ease of use of this technology will result in increased testing and enhanced understanding of the challenges. For more information on each device, please contact us or visit easymetrology.com. Thank you for watching.